What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. We're gonna go over Chainlink. We're currently up 10%. This is a coin I posted many days ago in the Discord just as it was breaking out of this pattern. I reposted it today and I said hope y'all didn't miss out on Chainlink. So if you guys want to stay ahead of the game, it's the price of a coffee. Sign up through the Patreon. We have over 1,000 members, so we're up almost 10% on the day. We're sitting at 31.57. We're sitting at a market cap of 14.32 billion. 24-hour volume 1.4 billion. And ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto ring app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. All right, all right, guys. So we have our symmetrical triangle we broke out. We're coming up to the golden ratio. So we may hit a little bit of resistance right here at about 31.47. Do keep an eye on that. We are trending into overbought on the 4-hour, but your target is up here at 35.45. You know what happens, guys? We get back above the golden ratio. We back test a support. High likelihood that you're going to come back up to where you started, up at 53.75, the previous high, and then you're going to head up to the 1.272 at 71.27. I'll give you some future price targets here. I'll give you the 1.618. which is up at 126, and I'm also going to give you the 2 as well as the 2.272. Now we may not make it all the way up to the 2.272. It is a possibility here, guys, but I do think there's a high likelihood of us at least coming up to 216 here for Chainlink, and that's a juicy gain from the current price of about 573%. If we make it all the way up to the 2.272, it's about an 8-9x for Chainlink. All right, guys, so there's some future price targets for you for Link. We're beautifully holding the support of the EMAs on the 4-hour. You can see right here we had the bullish cross. Beautiful sign of continuation here. If we look at Chainlink here on the daily, let's go over to the daily time frame. We're still on the 4-hour here, guys. So if we look here on the daily, you can see we've had the bullish cross right here, and we've just absolutely exploded. And as many of you already know, the large cap alts are the ones that tend to explode first, and then it comes down to the medium caps and then the smaller caps. All right, guys, so coins like Chainlink, Sol, LTC, these are all large cap coins that are great to invest in my opinion, but I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. I haven't said that in so long. All right, guys, so that's basically it for Chainlink. Now, if we do see a bit of rollover here, I'll go back into this chart here. Do target this area of support, previous level of resistance here at about 26.77, but I think there's a higher likelihood that we either consolidate or we break the golden ratio, we back test it as support, and we see continuation. But we are trending into overbought, so if we do break the golden ratio, but we'll most likely see a little bit of consolidation, which would be healthy, guys. Find support along the EMAs. Let me open this up. You can see here, when Chainlink broke out of our pattern here, we got a little bit overextended. We came back down to the 20 EMA. So we got a little bit overextended. So we might hit some resistance here, come back down to the 20 EMA, or we break the golden ratio and we use it as support, and we see continuation up to 35.45. Of course, we can just pump if some serious volume comes in. We can pump straight up to 35. We can pump straight up to the 0.786. which is at 39.79, but the harder we pump, the steeper the correction in most cases. All right, guys, so that's it for Chainlink. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns and we're talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, guys. You really can't beat it. You can check out crypto.com. You can follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.